here on R4 I will type forecast, and now I'm going to use the Excel method in order to forecast. So any method, any function will have to start with an equal sign, and if I type in it tells you give me the value of x and the known value of y's and the known value of x. So the first part is to give them the x values that you have. So here is the value of x, and now I want a known value of y and a known value of x. The y's, if we go, are here. They go from C4 up until C33. So these are the value of my y's. Then I put a comma, and now I want to enter the value of my x's, and again they go from B4 until B33. And again the C4, C33, B4, B33 are the only values that I have for x and y, so I'm going to again set them as fixed. Remember the $sign can fix just the column or just the row or both, the column and the row, and that's exactly what we want. So now when I look, if the temperature is 75, the forecast will be 4,498.137. Very small variance between the forecast and what we have calculated from the equation. So we'll do that now for the rest. And again you see very, very close values between the forecast using the Excel function and the value of y using the trend line equation or formula. So now if I want to they tell you to format these values with a comma. Go ahead and hit the control button so that these two are selected, and add the comma, and you want to decrease the decimal so you don't get any decimal point. And that's all for they want you now to add your name to the left section of the footer and to insert the current date in the right section of the footer for for that sheet. So I'm gonna go to the page layout and page setup and header and footer, and go to custom footer, and in the left section you want to write your name, and in the right section you want to add the date. So the date is in here. Hit OK, and if you want to preview it, you will see that I have my name on the left and the date on the right. You may want like to move it changes it, page 1. So best thing is to change the orientation to a landscape. That way we are able to see everything. And then also change the scale so that everything fits in one page. So now when we print preview, you have everything in the page. Okay, that's all for today. So if you don't have questions, then that's the end of the lab. Remember that